Hey guys, Trevor here, and in this video I'm going to walk you through how to find Facebook deleted posts. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. I have Facebook open here. I can tap on the three lines at the bottom right here, and then you can go through and scroll down. You'll see settings and privacy. We'll just want to open that up, and then we can tap on settings from here, and then we'll want to scroll down until we find activity log. So right under your Facebook information, you can see activity log here. This will log all of your activity throughout using Facebook, basically from initially signing up for Facebook however many years ago. However, if you scroll to the very top, you can see two different options at the top right, archive and trash. If you tap on trash, what this will do is it'll show you any posts that you've deleted or moved to your trash within the last 30 days. So if you've deleted that post within the past 30 days, it'll show up here. I don't have anything because I haven't deleted anything in the past 30 days. You can also go to archive if you've archived that post instead. So if you go to trash or archive here, you'll be able to go in and hit restore and remove that deleted post and enable it again. However, one of the things I recommend doing is if you go back out here and let's just go to, say, my profile here. What you want to do is say, if you were thinking about deleting this post, what I would recommend doing is tapping the three dots here. And then you can do a couple different options. You can edit privacy here and switch it to only me. So if you want to delete something or have people not be able to see it, you can change the privacy to only me, and then only you'll be able to see it. You can also tap the three dots and say hide from profile. So this will basically remove that post from your profile. Nobody else will be able to see it. And it's another way to kind of not delete the post, but make sure nobody else can see it. Hope this helps. Let us know if you have any questions in the comments below. Make sure to subscribe. Thanks.